Today we are making pork belly sandwiches. So let's get going. Let me show you how it's done. We're going to place our pork belly into the pot. Pour enough water to cover it. Approximately 2 cups, and the soy sauce, vinegar, the sugar, sesame oil, and our combination of spices, which are bay leaves, star of anise, and peppercorns. We are going to cover this and let it boil until our pork belly is fork tender. And right now it's nicely tender. We are going to pan fry it very quickly just to brown both sides. I added non-stick spray just to make sure that it's not going to stick to the pan. So here we go. Nice. We will let this rest for a little bit, and we are ready to assemble our pork belly sandwiches. In the same pan where we braised and pan fried our pork belly, we are going to make our sauce. We will let it boil, let it concentrate a little bit. We're letting the braising liquid render close to half of its quantity to concentrate the flavor. We're adding vinegar, a 1/4 cup of Hoisin sauce, two tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is a little bit salty, so you could adjust the saltiness by adding as much or as little as you want. This tastes so good. We will wait until it thickens a little bit more. First, you add the sauce on your bread. Add your veggies. These are my cucumber. A little bit of the slivered scallions. Some cilantro. And of course, our pork belly. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po.